Cold wind on the ruins where the wall never left footsteps, but the cost still fucking etched. Every king sold his heart just to buy regret. Peaky vows in the cracks where the devil's edge. I stretch. Vinyl scribble on dust, that's the past receipt. Ghost bark my name every time I speech. Match strike on the edge, watch the flames creeps. Power stays with a heart that never sleeps. But the church bells in memory, but peace on trial. I am stained in light that never snide. Don't smile, cold in no marrow. Breath all wow, what with no words but to maintain the style. Maintain the while, say it slow. Nothing was free, always the files. Nothing for me, always the trial. When the smoke settles, nothing heals. White powers, a ghost in the folds of the night. Cold in my veins, heart never ignite. Yeah, in the fight, lessons in lost peace, never insight. Yeah, insight. When the smoke settles, we drown in the fight. If we do it, it's do or die, or fight or flight. Every promise was paper, water, one flame. No one's to blame, like the sea shadows and whisper my name. Match strike in the dark, don't need no acclaim. The acclaim built is falling on dust and crater of shame. Kings never sleep, sleep is for the blame. Is for the blame. When the smoke settles, nothing leaves unscarred. The phone stays heavy, and guilt don't disappear. I'm here, your best friend, queer here, faggot. You motherfucking faggot! Wait. When the smoke settles, nothing heals right, nothing feels right. Powers are ghosts in the fall of night, and the fall of night. Cold in my veins, hearts never ignite. Lessons in lost peace, never in sight. When it all dies, it's still fucking fight. Power remains heavy, silence never lost, silence never soft. Peace wasn't deal, peace wasn't real. When the smoke settles, I feel fucking